We're going to hear about the product design process for purpose-led products. So this is Sam. Nice to meet you, Sam.
Hi, Ben.
So take me through why this particular process is so well equipped and so tailored to this type of product.
So how we do it is we split it into sort of four main sections of the research, the concept stage, development and production.
Okay, take me through it. So step one.
Yeah, step one, research. So this is where we try and marry your purpose and you as an individual, what you really care about, with sustainability goals that we can embed into the project and try and carry throughout the whole process. And we think this is actually one of the most important stages because you have to really care about what you're doing if you're really going to drive it through right to the end.
Yeah, it's almost like a strategy phase. This is what we're trying to achieve. This is the basics of the general direction we want to go.
Exactly.
Okay, stage two.
And then taking that into the concept stage, this is where we take those values that you've identified as really important to you. And this is where we come up with a range of different concepts and ideas and really try and push the boat of what's possible of where you could take this and really kind of almost challenge you a bit as to what is a sort of positive or purpose-led project for you.
Yeah, so you might come up with a few ideas. Maybe the clients thought of those types of things before. Maybe it's something completely different. It's that kind of initial ideas concept.
Yeah, some really sort of blue sky thinking, the sort of thing that you might not have even thought of as an option.
Yeah, no, that sounds really cool. Okay, and then after that, what's next?
So this is where this is the really tricky phase, which is the sort of development phase. Right. And unfortunately, we've found in the past, this has actually been the stage where a lot of those really lofty goals get lost.
Okay.
When you're getting into the thick of it with manufacturing and figuring out how it all works, sometimes those decisions and things that were really important to you at the beginning actually under the commercial pressures get pushed to the wayside.
Well, as in there's easier routes, there might be more readily available materials or different ways of approaching it that are kind of tempting.
Exactly.
But you really need to focus and stay on track so that you actually reach that first goal that you set at the start.
And so how we do that is we give you sort of the range of options of what's possible. We tell you what the impact is of each of these options so you have a really clear image when you make these decisions of what the consequences are going to be. And then we validate those against those goals you set at the beginning to make sure we're staying on track.
Okay, and the next phase sounds like the most exciting one.
This is, when it all comes together, the production. Yeah. And what's really important here is when we're handing off to our clients is we want to really pair them with partners and suppliers that are responsible, ethical and care, and you'll be able to communicate with them and carry forwards this project that's, you've gone through this whole process and this is the final push to get it to the finish line.
Okay, and at the end of that, is it then ready for market? It's go and sell it.
Yeah, it's ready for market, and hopefully you've ended up with a product that you can actually be proud of, and something that's actually doing something positive for the planet.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you very much, Sam.
Brilliant. Cheers.
Everybody, if you enjoy content like this, make sure you're following here to see plenty more of it. Outside of that, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.